Hello everyone, my name is Andrew, and behind me here is the upper adit into an abandoned gold mine. In 1896, this area was first prospected and they found this reddish rock on the hillside up behind me. It wasn't until 1933 that they actually started tunneling into the mountain to try and intercept that same vein in the search for gold. And gold they found. In 1935, the first shipment of ore was sent away, 30 tons of it, averaging 1 ounce per ton of gold. Production peaked in 1937 when 2,816 tons of ore were removed from the mountain, averaging 0.42 ounces per ton of gold. But it's reported that by 1944, mining had slowed, hand drilling their dynamite holes because their air compressors were removed due to the war effort. Since 1944, the claim has been drilled and tested by numerous mining companies, even as recent as 2014, but no actual mining has been carried out. Let's go check this mine out. Oh yeah,
Wow, this is crazy.
So this here, to the left, that just turns right there and it goes back to this main level, or main tunnel here. We'll just skip through that. Oh, guess what I forgot to put on? My air monitor.
Dude, it's so tall in here.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Look at the walls, too.
Yeah.
Like, they're actually, like, really
So
thick.
that's where that tunnel comes back to.
What's all that crap on the ceiling?
Oh, this is like
Calcium
calcium and stuff
Huh?
dripping from the ceiling.
Neat.
Pretty crazy. Alright, we're gonna turn around here. So we're at a junction. We're gonna go left hand actually. I haven't actually been down this tunnel yet. I know that it doesn't go anywhere, but cool to check it out anyway. Okay, yeah, that is it. Spaced out. Got some calcium happening. Nice. Okay, back to that junction. So I'm gonna go left again here. Got some obstacles. I like this. This is cool. Somebody set this track tie right here against the rock. Just left it there. Kind of neat. Yeah. All right.
Crazy colors in here, man.
Yeah, I know, right? This is the stuff they were after. It was this colorful, ironed out quartz. You can see the quartz all through the rock. Being that there's iron with it, that means that there's probably gold with it too. Keep her going.
Oh, God.
This is where it gets crazy.
God.
Check that out.
What the heck?
Do you see a blue rope anywhere?
No.
Me neither.
Dude.
Oh, is that? No, that's a different. Oh, that's a. Yeah. It's so misty in here.
You should go climb across that.
No, I don't
People
think
have
so.
done it.
You think so?
Well, maybe not.
Maybe when they worked it.
This is
But check this out. If you go over here and you look right up there. There we go. There's a ladder way up there.
You see that really shiny thing on the ceiling there?
Oh, maybe. It's probably water.
Oh, yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Dripped.
Yeah. Okay, well, that's the upper attic just right there. Following this, I don't know if this is a mule path or what, but there's a really well-worn trail going down here to the main hall level. And yeah, we'll catch up with you guys at the main hall level. All right, here's the lower hall level here. Made a nice concrete door for us, but you can see the air is just screaming out of here. It's freezing cold too. Right on. All right, backpack's off. We're gonna slide our way in. All right, made it inside. I've turned this contraption around. I've got my air monitor on now, so we should theoretically not die from low oxygen. And yeah, we've got some water to walk through. I'm sure it's icy cold. But first, I need to step off to the side here. I don't know why I'm straddling the water. I'm gonna get my feet wet anyway, but come on in, Jake.
50-mile run after this.
Oh man, okay, we've passed the boot height. Oh, that's so cold. Oh man, that's really cold.
I'm waiting until you're just put out and then I'm running through it.
You're running through it. Okay, I'm gonna go to this side over here. It's less deep over here, I think. Isn't this cool though? Like the track? That is wild. Yeah, I'm walking in marshes at the moment.
Yeah, this is very cool though.
There's
Oh, wow.
a sump
That
here.
water is, man.
Yeah, it's so clear, eh? Oh, there's a track. Oh, there's a frog. I was like, oh, look, a track spike. And there's the guardian of the track spike. Little toad. Anyway. Okay, let's get Jake's reaction to this. Whoa! Is that insane or what?
I don't know how safe that is, but
Not at all. So this is underneath that stope that we were in earlier.
oh, really?
That pile of rock that's in
Yeah.
the bottom of it.
That's right there.
That's the bottom of that pile of rock.
Oh, too bad we can't get through that, eh?
I know. It's wild. So yeah, up there and just to the right is where that stope is.
No way.
Yeah. This is the part that I got sketched out at last time.
Was it?
Yeah. This is where I was ready to turn around. But if you look actually up to the left, there's a little hole
Yeah, I see that.
that goes up through there.
Yeah.
That's how you get to the hull level on the other side of the stope. Basically. Okay, so that's where we just climbed up from. It's way down there. Yeah. That, oh, you can't really see it because of all the mist, but right up there you can see there's a bench there. Let me work the camera right there. That's where we were standing earlier.
Hey, Andrew, there's your rope.
Where? Oh,
Do you see that?
the camera's moving. Where? Oh yeah, right there. Oh, crazy. Okay, hold on. You can see my blue rope. Right there, the end of it. I think that's the end of it. It might loop back up. It's hard to tell, but that is a 150-foot rope. So if that's the end of it, that's a long ways. I wish I could get a better view of where it's actually coming down from. Okay, so I just climbed up from down there. You can see Jake down there. Pretty sketchy. Not sure how I'm gonna get down, but yeah, gravity's a thing, I guess. And just over this edge, this is that ore pass that's collapsed down on the lower level. It drops down to there. It almost seems like there's a, yeah, it looks like there's maybe a little side pocket right there. Hard to say. But up above me here, we got some wood and a rope there, some track. That way I think goes, hey, I can see I can see daylight. That's interesting. Let me take my camera. There you go. There's daylight. Nice. Got daylight up there. Interesting. And then that's the level that continues on over there. But I'm not inclined to climb up there all that badly, especially with the pit of doom and despair below. So I think I'm just gonna head back down. There's a whole bunch of nails in that board, and that log right there. That's crazy. Okay, well, we came, we saw. Okay, so that's the little hole that I was just sitting in right up there. Made it down. It was actually a lot less sketchy to get down than I thought it would be. But that's into the stope. Right above us there, I could see out the top actually, finally. If you look up to the right when you're up in that hole, you can see daylight. So my rope was definitely looped around when we saw it earlier. So it's definitely not 150 feet to that point that we were looking at, but it's still very long ways. I bet you it's all of 80 to 100 probably. So, all right, Mr. Jake,
jammed up.
Jammed up?
Jammed up. This rope is so muddy.
Yeah. Who knows how old it is too. I shouldn't say that right now with you hanging off of it.
I was looking at the top, it didn't look great.
No, it's kind of jammed up in the rocks. Who knows where it's tied to. That's the same rope I think that loops back up to where I was, but anyway. Climbing down. It's good to film other people every now and then so you can actually get some scale reference as to how big it is in here. Alright, he's at the bottom. Cool, cool. And then down in front of him there is where we come in. Drops down again another 6 feet or so and then in through a little hole. Basically down right below me, actually. So, alright. My turn. Okay, time to... time to wring my socks out. Oh dear. Well, at least it's not too far back to the truck. Alright. Made it back to the top here. This is where I could see out the top of the mine. This is my rope we dropped down earlier. And even for me, I'd prefer that to be a little bigger opening to actually rappel into there. And I don't really want to cut their wire because that's just, I don't know, it's not very cool to do. So this was already this way when we got here. We're gonna leave it how we got it. Gonna pull my rope back up, I guess, and unfortunately no crazy mine drops today. Alright, so I'm a bit bummed that I couldn't fit down through there to rappel, but we rigged up something. The light and the GoPro. I'm gonna drop it down there and see what it sees, I guess. Usually these videos aren't that good, but I don't know. We'll see what happens, I guess.
And you'll know if it hits something.
Alright. See if that light is... Alright, so let me give you guys a little context here. So off to the left, the dark area, I believe that drops down into that massive stope. That's in the top of that stope. You can see they've built a little bit of a wall here, and I believe that's to divert falling rock over to the right into the ore pass that drops down to the main hall level. And it was down over to the right there that I was sitting partway down that black hole, filming up towards the surface, and that's where you can see the light earlier in the video. So I believe that's what we're looking at here. Go for it. That's a long ways down. Alright, so we made it back to the truck here. My pack out rack that was holding all my ropes and stuff broke on the way back. That's just where I left all the ropes and stuff to do this last log hop. But probably, I don't know, about a kilometer or so away it broke on the way back here. And you can see it's a little messed up now, so we'll have to revamp that situation, but give me a good little project. I guess I should go grab the ropes from over there as I trip over, and yeah, we'll be out of here.